What is up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so I just finished installing a Wouxun KG-1000G Plus GMRS 50-watt radio. So I got the antenna on a mag mount right there. It goes into the roof. It goes not into the roof, but it goes into the hatch. A little crease into the hatch right here. Right there. There we go. It comes into the hatch right here along this between the roof and the hatch body line. Comes across behind the wire harness here. Goes behind the hinge. Right there. I'm gonna have to make a bracket, kind of just put a bracket here or something, so that way it doesn't get bent, pinched. But goes there, comes down the D pillar right here, goes behind the tail light, and then it comes in right here. Comes in right here, right where this LED bulb stack is. There is a foam cover on the back of the tail light. So this coax cable is not being pinched on steel, it's being pinched on the foam. And then it comes in here to here, runs through this backside of this panel, which has got a bunch of foam and dead insulation. So this cable is actually sitting on the foam, goes all the way across to where the seat is. Comes down this C-pillar right here, drops down the C-pillar, goes into this body panel, under this floor cover, goes through the bottom of this centerpiece, which is the B pillar, and the seat belt that's actually is underneath here, right here. Then it goes across here, right here, comes over. This is the antenna right here, and I have the unit under the seat right here. This is the KG-1000G Plus, and then this red and black is the power and ground, which is actually running from the engine bay through the grommet right there, through the firewall grommet, comes behind this kick panel. As you can see, that red wire right there where my finger's pointing comes across, comes down, runs into this step panel, and then it loops under here because it was slightly long, and I brought it back and then went under. And then this one here's the power cord right here. So I have that just tucked under the seat. You pull the radio out. Here's the radio. There's two fuses right there. And then the coax, or not the coax, but the RJ 45 Ethernet plug is right there. It runs over, back, behind, under this mole panel. Under the mole panel, it is tucked right there. There's the black wire right there. Comes back right here. Comes up. And then here is the faceplate right here. And I haven't decided how I want to mount it yet, but it's sitting right there. And then here is the mic. I put the magnetic mount on the mic, so it just hangs there. That's it hitting the repeater right there. I'm thinking about putting a RAM mount right here and mounting this faceplate on the RAM mount right here. And then I'll find a better location for the mic later, probably up here. Probably hanging right here or something. And then the engine bay wiring. Oops, wrong one. Just to quickly show you guys. It's pretty simple, easy wire. It's already set up. All you got to do is run it and plug it in. That's my LEDs right there on the hood. So here is the other fuse. So there's two fuses. There's one fuse on the ground and one fuse on the hot on the back of the radio, and there's one fuse on the ground and one fuse on the hot for the wire harness as well. I ran it through the firewall, tucked it under, ran the red across. This red harness, which actually is for my ARB dual compressor, and then the black I ran underneath the brackets and mounted right here. So here's the ground. The hot is going right here. I actually mounted it to the main engine hot harness, starter harness, and then just plugged it in right there. So the radio is good. Pretty easy install. Anybody can do it. This is on a 2007 Toyota 4runner Sport Edition 4x4 4.7 liter V8 model. I also have some Victory 4x4 skids coming as well. Some other goodies. So just a quick little video for you guys. That way you guys can see what's going on. I'm doing the YouTube video right now. I already finished it, but I need to edit it. So I figured I'd give you guys a little sneak peek before the YouTube video comes out. If you guys want to check out the YouTube video, go to Antonio Claudio Michael's YouTube. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!
Albuquerque, how do you copy Albuquerque?